salamat ulit sa pagsama and sa panonood ng aking video. Our video for today is the part 2 of our visit to the Universal Studio Hollywood in Los Angeles, California. And I wanna show you the places around the Universal Studio. So ito yung second or part 2 of our visit, and join us as we explore the place. So, ito yung una naming nakita after we enter the Universal Studio. So, pagpasok mo, ito yung place. So, if you can see, maraming tao kasi magandang weather and summer. So, yan. Actually, this time na pumunta kami sa Universal Studio is on a weekday, so marami ng tao, so you expect more people on the weekend. Yan, so naglakad-lakad muna kami and tinignan namin kung saan ang una naming pupuntahan. And yan, thank you again sa pagsama at panonood sa aking video. Let's see kung saan tayo unang pupunta. Yan, lakad-lakad lang. And punta tayo muna sa malayo. Nakikita nyo ba yung nasa likod ko? That's Hello Kitty. Pero balikan muna natin yan mamaya. Magpipicture din tayo dyan mamaya, pero marami pang nakapila. So sa luwang ng place na ito, hindi namin alam kung anong uunahin puntahan, pero hayaan na lang natin yung mga bata. Yan, nauna na sila kung saan kami pupunta. So tignan natin kung saan nila tayo dalhin. Dito na tayo at malapit na tayo dahil mahilig tayo sa cartoons din at mahilig yung mga bata sa cartoons. Doon kami sa My Minion, Despicable Me. So papasok tayo dito and let's see the Minions live.
Hire a professional painter to come in and do it perfectly. Or see, download instructions from the internet to make sure you do the best.
Now, where was I? Marco!
There was a smudge.
I feel clown. Feel like
Just trying to keep things interesting. Eesh.
okay, just be still. Don't say any more words. These are my daughters. Say hello briefly.
Hello out there. Stop reading.
You will all be great minions, I can tell. You want to know who? Tell the Fario. This one. Okay, before we begin your training, we need to do a routine body scan. Can't have you bringing any human germs into the...
Yan, so bago ka pumasok doon sa ride with the Minions, dito ka muna at manunood sa presentation ng mga Minions. So while we ay line up kasi merong pang nanonood ay naka-ride doon sa loob, manunood muna tayo nitong cartoons. So yan, it's time for us to ride with the Minions. So pumasok na tayo and bawal pala yung mag-video sa loob. Kaya I just show you before the ride and we really had a nice experience doon sa pag-ride namin. Ang ganda. Para siyang D-Box movie. No? So para kang part ng Minions doon and you are playing with the Minions. So yan, tapos na and we are andun na tayo sa exit ng ride. So yan, tapos na and yan, lumabas na tayo and ito yung view. May mga rides din sa labas. So let's continue to enjoy the place and thank you again for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And if you wanna follow my channel, please click the bell button. And I'll see you in more of my videos. And dami pa tayong papasyalan dito sa loob ng Universal Studio. Ito pa lang yung first stop. And next one, marami pa tayong pupuntahan. And join us again sa aking next video, sa part 3 ng aking and aming pamamasyal sa Universal Studio and more places in the USA. Thank you again. God bless to everyone. Bye-bye. Enjoy, and keep safe to all. Bye-bye.